Welcome. If you're looking to turn off those other notifications on the Facebook app for PC, especially after the latest update, you've come to the right place. I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to help you disable those extra notifications that might be cluttering your experience. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the notifications icon. It looks like a little bell. Go ahead and click on that bell icon. After clicking the notifications icon, you'll notice a list of recent notifications. At the very top of this list, there's a small icon with 3 dots aligned vertically. This is where you can access more options for managing your notifications. Click on those 3 dots. A menu will appear. Choose the option titled Notifications Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where Facebook lets you customize your notification preferences in detail. Now, look for the section called Other Notifications. This is where Facebook groups all those miscellaneous alerts that don't fall under the usual categories like tags, comments, or friend requests. Once you find this section, you'll see an option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply toggle that setting off to disable these other notifications. By doing this, you're telling Facebook not to send you alerts that might not be that important, helping to keep your notification feed cleaner and less distracting. And that's it. Just by following these quick steps, you've taken control over your Facebook notifications on your PC. It's a small change, but it can make your time on Facebook much more enjoyable and focused. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to explore the other notification settings to further tailor your Facebook experience.